All right, what is up, guys? We are currently in Idaho. We've been here for pretty much, I think, a week. Yeah, a week today. Today's Tuesday, August 9th. And then tomorrow, August 10th, we are leaving to head up towards Bozeman, Montana. So right now I got to change the oil on the van. I got the most miles per gallon I've pretty much ever gotten out of this van, which is awesome. So I'm going to have to get gas today. But we got about 425 miles to a tank, and I still have a little bit of fuel left. So that's kind of really nice. We went to Craters of the Moon yesterday. We did Yellowstone with my friend Corey. We've been staying with my friend Corey, Alana, and his roommates. And it's just been absolutely awesome. I really do love Idaho. So I gotta take care of the oil change, and then we'll see what we're gonna get into today. For our last full day in Idaho, I think Corey said something about going rock climbing tonight after he gets off work, so that I'm pretty excited for. I have all my gear, so in the meantime, let's change this oil. Well, I caught up on as much editing as I could, and right now I think me, Corey, Michaela's coming. She's gonna shoot some photos and hang out, and Corey's friend Creature are all gonna go climbing outside. This is my first time climbing outside, so I'm pretty excited. Thankfully, we brought our stuff, and Michaela's gonna hang out.
I'm the mule.
Michaela's got the gear. She's got her stuff too, but we'll see if I'll even have a successful climb today, or if it'll just be me attempting. I've only climbed in the gym, and it was for like 3 months, and it's been like from January to April.
It's been 3 months break. So.
It's been a 3-month break, so we'll see what I remember, what I don't remember, and what I'm capable of and not, but I'm super stoked either way. Changed oil today. That was successful. Filter was on there extremely tight, and it fought me for a while, but we got that off. Got everything taken care of, and time to go chill. All right, well, today we are leaving Idaho and heading to Bozeman, Montana. As you guys saw, I actually got to climb yesterday, and that's something I do kind of want to talk about. I really enjoyed my time there. So Michaela and I are packing up the van right now, and we're getting ready to head to Bozeman, Montana. You excited to head to a new state? We've been here for a little over a week.
So excited.
Yeah, Montana should be sweet, so I'm gonna check out Bozeman, do a little Walmart pickup, and then find some camping. So we'll keep you guys updated. All right, well, we are in Montana. We stopped at Bozeman. We just stopped for a quick Walmart stop. Wasn't really digging the vibe, honestly, so much. To be honest, it was kind of a little weird, at least the section we were in, so we just headed about an hour out, and I forget the name of this national forest, something weird. But let's see, how far are we from Glacier? Yeah, we're at some place called the Homestake Pass, and this looks like it's in, if I can find it here. We're outside of Butte, that's all I can say. Outside of Butte, Montana.
And Butte seems really cute.
It does, yeah. It's like the old, didn't it say it's like got the biggest main street, or the oldest historical something? I don't know, it seems cool. We'll let you guys know if we go into it. But Glacier is still about 200 miles, so about 4 hours and 3 minutes. So it's not a bad haul. We'll see what we're feeling, what we're getting into. And I might even get to do some bouldering here. There's a bunch of these big old boulders pretty much everywhere. So that'd be a fun little thing to do maybe tomorrow. It's supposed to rain and we have a leak, so we're gonna have to throw the tarps on. We got the Jenny running right now, keeping everything in the cooler nice and cold. We just ate some cheesesteaks, those are banging. Talked to 2 couples, and they were just giving us the rundown about this area.
No fires.
No fires, unfortunately, like most of the West, not a surprise. And it's supposed to rain anyway, so we're just gonna clean up and just chill out for the rest of the night. All right, well, Michaela and I made some breakfast. We had some steak and eggs on some sandwiches. It was pretty good because last night we had cheesesteaks, which I ended up paying for and had to walk 1.5 miles to the bathroom as it was getting dark and a little like rainy. But I think it's about noon right now, and I think we're gonna start heading towards Glacier. There is plenty of national forest around there. I just shaved, I feel fresh and ready to go. New state, new look. Michaela, I need a haircut soon.
I know.
My hair grows like a weed, so last time I got a cut was in the Poudre Canyon. So I'm gonna have to get a nice fresh Montana cut. Didn't get a cut in Wyoming or Idaho, so now it's Montana.
I know, and your hair is getting very bedhead.
Yeah, it needs cut like every, honestly 2 weeks for it to maintain itself. So yeah, I think we're just gonna head towards Glacier. If we stop anywhere or see anything cool, I will make sure to film it. Alright guys, we just came to our campsite, our second campsite in Montana. I think we're probably about 30 minutes away from at least an entrance to Glacier National Park. We found this campsite on Seeker. That's been honestly a pretty helpful app so far.
Yeah.
Seeker's been pretty much what we've been using, way more, in my opinion, trustworthy than iOverlander. And yeah, it's pretty freaking awesome out here. Check it out. Currently have the generator going to put some power to the fridge to keep our stuff for tonight and tomorrow cool. I think we're having what, like pasta tonight? Pasta, what else?
Rigatoni or whatever.
Penne.
Yeah, well, to put your cheese on top.
Oh yeah, mozzarella? Yeah, kind of like a ziti. And we are, as you saw, filtering some water into our fresh water 6-gallon tank for our sink because that is finally fixed.
I am so excited to do the dishes tonight.
Yeah, and finally in the sink, we can brush our teeth in the sink.
Wash my face.
Yeah, we've been getting by without it for literally probably going on 7 weeks. So it is what it is, but now we'll at least have a sink, and this giant thing serves a purpose instead of kind of just taking up space. So that's exciting. And yeah, so we're just gonna continue to filter some water, and then we'll show you guys this bad girl over here spitting out some water, maybe doing some dishes. Montana. Let me think here. We're at the Lone Pine State Park in Kalispell, Montana. So we're just hanging out here. Michaela and I just had some Chick-fil-A and came to this little park to a picnic table, and we are waiting to, we have an appointment at 2:30. We are going to get our wheels and tires rotated and balanced because at around between 30 and 40 miles an hour, there seems to be a vibration in the steering wheel, which I wouldn't be surprised, and hopefully that's all it is just the wheels need balanced. We have been going on a lot of like off-roading styled roads, just more treacherous stuff, so hopefully everything will be okay in that department. We're heading out here soon, and then I think we're going into Glacier after 4 p.m. Probably do a sunset. We set up our tent at the site we were at last night, so we'll have that spot again.